In a recent picture leak, Apple's initial USB-C ports for the iPhone may be seen. The USB-C port on the iPhone 15 was previously widely speculated to be one of the major improvements to the iPhone this year, and now there are additional photographs that may just confirm it. The identical picture showing what seem to be the USB-C ports for the iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, and iPhone 15 Pro Max, plus its associated circuitry and internal connections, was shared by Twitter/X users Lipolipsy and John011235. For some time now, reputable reports have been floating about the iPhone 15's USB-C port. Given that we've had Lightning ports on iPhones for the last 10 years and another Apple-exclusive port in the shape of the 30-pin connection before that, Apple utilizing the widely used USB-C standard for its iPhones would be a huge move, to put it mildly. It would be easier for customers to charge all of their gadgets with a one connection, and it may also provide the iPhone quicker data and charging as well as other exciting new capabilities like compatibility with Thunderbolt 3 for usage with external screens. It may be argued that Apple was forced into this choice rather than choosing it on its own. The European Union has mandated that all mobile devices sold in the area use a single port, thus new iPhones will inevitably need to adopt USB-C before the end of the year. Despite warnings from EU authorities that this would violate EU legislation, Apple may still attempt to maintain its Made for iPhone program by securing complete functionality behind authorized USB-C accessories. Another regrettable issue would be that the USB-C ports on the non-Pro iPhone 15 models might not be any quicker than the Lightning port they replace. The base iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus may reportedly have the same USB technology that powered the Lightning connection underneath the new port form, while the Pro versions may get a comprehensive overhaul to their ports. At the iPhone 15's unveiling, which is anticipated to take place on September 12th or September 13th, all of these USB-C speculations will be confirmed accurate or incorrect. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.